I hope I'm part of those who interested you to join the army. When I visited your school, to interest your school, to see if you can join the army. And your headmaster at that time, or head of school at that time, is one famous the teacher you may call Mr. Onyemole Oga. Yes, I don't know what he told you about me, but the enthusiasm with which you and your class, and I think there are about 10 of you who in the end decided to join the army. I think, am I right, about 10 of you, and I think 15, my goodness. And at least I know 10 of you later joined the army or the air force or whatever it is. And of course, years General Abdul was also part of you. So there you go. Those 10, those 15 of you, 10 of you made it in the end. And I feel, that I interested you in the army. You joined the army and you served very, very well. You served very, very well. And it got to the stage whereby at the end of the war, my youngest brother, late Isaiah, came and told me about this, his commander. Very good leader, very good commander, very courageous, brave. He spoke well of you. Made me think, well, this is certainly a young man that I would like to come to work with me. I will probably make him my ABC. Well, that was the coming hope. That event happened, and I was giving my marching orders out of good environment. Yes, but this young officer went on later on. I don't know whether he was part of those who gave me the marching orders. But he didn't just become an ABC. He became a head of state as well, a boss of bosses. And honestly, I know the amount of work you have done. And over the years, various events happened, and I understand, I learned that you are the one who made sure that Dinka either escaped rather than be arrested. And of course, yes, the accusation of me being being the one who encouraged Dinka to do that. Me, who had been trying all the time to make sure that other coups do not take place in Nigeria, and make sure that the permanent power in the army remain very loyal to the government of the day, and that was how I started trying to deal with the coup and to ensure that the government of the day continues. Unfortunately, that did not happen until the civilian government at the time, the government of the time, decided that Yes, let the military take over until they can restore loyalty and discipline. And for that reason, what I have wanted to do, that if a coup ever took place in Nigeria, I hope the loyal ones of us will deal with the situation and return the status quo. That meant return the government. And when we were able to really deal with that particular coup, yes, what can happen? Was that, yes, the files was given to the and he told me, this is what is happening. And I had to just say to him, well, if this is the case, you have my double loyalty, as my GOC and president. Now, president would come under the chief. As you can see, I know Carter's being that. But yes, that's happening. And so that is why how the military government in Nigeria came into being. The attempt by the first group did not, was not complete. So it was a military government that was forced on the military. But let me say this, during the regular, yes, I had a very rough time. I was even charged for treason, isn't it? I was in charge of treason. You believe that? I had such a full thing. And I certainly didn't believe that such a thing could happen. But however, later on, President Shadow rescinded that order and in the end made sure that yes, you in the end restored from my rank, restored my honor, and you did quite a lot for the country, even though he even selected me to be the presidential candidate for NRC, wasn't it? I can assure you when it went to the voting, I didn't pass beyond the ward level. Just to prove to you that yes, the people do not want military leaders as but you reinstated me. You value me, and you continue to do well, for which I congratulate you. Everyone congratulates you and wish you well for the future.
Thank you very much, former President Gowon.